Hi, it's Megan and Tom from Bachelorette.com showing you what's new for bachelorette parties.
This is a penis puppet.
You should not buy one of these and give it to your male friends because the terrible jokes will not end. Hey Megan, you know the weather?
What's the weather?
I predict about 6 to 8 inches tonight.
Oh, that's a dick joke.
Uh-huh. Lots of dick jokes. You want to try?
Yeah, I've never I've never controlled a penis.
Yeah.
Wow, I just feel more powerful already.
Do you really?
Yeah.
You feel empowered?
Yeah, I feel like
Feel you kind of take advantage of someone? Like
pee standing up, like just amazing.
Gonna drive poorly?
Yeah.
Just your guy now? What else do guys get angry over? Nothing?
Yeah, I'm just gonna fart at abandon and just
That's right. That is kind of fun, actually.
scratch my balls at the grocery store.
That's right.
Yeah, adjust my tip.
There you go.
Knock stuff off counters with my penis.
Huh?
I don't know. I'm new.
Yeah, you do good. Okay. I wish I could.
Ah!
Be like, oh, that potted plant just fell on the ground.
My bad. Sorry.
Yeah.
It's
So
so
there
big.
you go. It's a penis puppet. You know you want one now that you've realized that they actually exist. And that's our job is Megan's team finds the weirdest things, greatest things for bachelorette parties, and my team ships them privately and discreetly to your door. Oh, there are some nuts there.
Wow, and little balls.
Little balls. Yeah, it's cold out. See, he should be saying that. That's cold.
That's cool.
He looks a little stoned, doesn't he?
Yeah.
Got those stoner eyes.
Or is he just sleeping because he just came in from a long flight?
Oh, yeah.
Came in.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I got it.
All right.
By the way, I said the part where I say we ship it privately and discreetly to your door. We're Bachelorette.com.
We've had over 1 million satisfied customers, and we hope you're next.